Hi, for today's serving of CPS Small Bites, we're going to look at two different AR apps. AR stands for Augmented Reality. Let's first look at the Color Mix AR app. As you can see from this picture, the Color Mix app works when students color a specific piece of paper and then scan that paper underneath their iPad to make that picture come to life. This is why it's called augmented reality. It changes what the students see by adding another layer. Let's take a look at where you get these coloring sheets. You can download them from the website. You will want to go to the website colorapp.com. Here you will find the pages. Any of these pages at the bottom can be downloaded, and you can print them out. You want to be careful that you look for the ones that are marked free, because if you are to print out some of the other ones, even though it'll let you print them out, your program will not read them unless you pay for them. So here you can see that those are locked. Let's go ahead and download this cell. Okay, so we printed out the cell sheet, and we open up our app, we push play. It will prompt us to make sure that we can see the whole page at the same time. And then poof, it'll come to light. Now you notice that this one's all white, so that's not that cool. Let's see what happens when we color part of it. Now you can see I can actually move my iPad around to see the different parts of this animal cell. Here the whole sheet is colored. You can see I can move this around to see the different parts of the animal cell. Students can also hit the light bulb. One part of the cell will blink, and then they can press the correct button to identify which part of the cell that is. Okay, now let's try Hector's dolphins. Okay, you can see right when this scans, it tells me that I would have to purchase this page, The Animals of New Zealand, for $2.99 in order to have students be able to read this one with the AR app. Let's take a look at how some students at Zapata Academy are using this. Press the home button down and tap the power button in order to take a screenshot. This will be directly saved to your camera roll so students can share this work with others. The next app we're going to look at is called Aurasma. Let's take a look at how some students at Ogden Elementary School are using this app.
They're like, hello everyone, welcome to the library. Shippy, can you change it? Can we change the overlay? That's pretty awesome.
The image is the trigger, and once it's scanned, the video will show up as the overlay. When you first use the app, you'll want to hit the plus, and here you're going to choose your overlay. Your overlay is going to be what shows up even though it's not there. You can either use one of the overlays they have or take one from your device. If I want to add a picture or video from my device, I hit the plus. So let's say I want to take a picture of this book. All right, then I can use this and give it a name. So now I will choose that this is my overlay, what I want to show up. So this is the book. Now I capture a trigger image. Once that moves all the way to green, I take a picture and how I want the overlay to come, if I want to be big or little. Here I can decide if I want to add this to a channel, if I want it to be private or public. If you're going to be doing this a lot in your school, then you might want to decide to make it public or to create a channel for your school. Now, whenever anyone scans a question, the answer shows up. If I want to take a picture of that, I can snap a picture right there. Okay, so to review, once you want to create an aura, then you're going to hit the plus to go to create. I'm going to follow the steps at the bottom. Choose an overlay. I recorded myself giving directions to students. I want to use this. What will be my trigger? I will use the coloring sheet from our last app. Once I have the green, I hit the plus. How do I want it to appear? Hit the arrow. And here I give it a name. Now you'll notice, for those of you who are interested in doing this at your school, that if I want to add it to a channel, okay, you can do that. And if I want to make it public to everyone, I would need to make an account. So you'll want to look into this before you start doing this with your student. Now, when the students scan this paper, it will pop up and I'll be giving them the directions of what they're supposed to do. I hope that you will enjoy using this app. If you're interested in learning more about it, don't forget to check out the TED Talk by its creator. And I hope that you and your students will enjoy using these and other augmented reality apps in your library. Thanks for watching today's CPS Small Bite.